So in this video, we are seeing what predictive parser is. In this exercise, the predictive parser working in C is to parse a given string using non-recursive predictive parsing for a given grammar. A given grammar could be set into a tree where the predictive parsing happens. So how does this work? The predictive parser goes from top-down method, so it starts reading the expression from left to right, reading each terminal and each non-terminal side by side. When this grammar is considered to be a backtracking, will not be a recursive descent, but when it is recursive descent, it does not have a backtracking. So, henceforth, it's known as a predictive parsing technique. The parsing technique is regarded recursive as is the context-free grammar, which is recursive in nature. So, it's already recursive nature, so the top-down method is used to get the recursive descent, and backtracking is allowed. When the backtracking does not work here and the recursive descent parsing happens, it goes to non-backtracking method where the predictive parser works and LL parser happens in the denoted way. Uh, so I've created a code where it shows how the program is set by. In this program, it is written so in a way that it's going to take in an input file or an input string that is going to conduct from top-down method of constructing a tree where the expression is read from left to right, giving each variable, each terminal and each non-terminal side on. So it states the values from where to where the expression is gone to. So keeping it simple, let me show you how it works. When I run this code, I've given a string called a plus b into star c, an id operator, then an id operator, and an id and another operator. How does this work? It takes from $e, where the id plus id star id is the way I've given a plus b star c. The operators are set equal, and it runs down in the top-down method for recursive descent without backtracking. So the predictive parser works in such a way where it shows me all the id plus operator and switches from left to right. You see the id passed on to the right so that the id is removed, and it starts from the second column where the operator is given. So number 1 is id, number 2 is operator, number 3 is id, number 4 is an operator. So starting from second, it again passes off where it gives the third statement as id star id. Now the third statement is removed where it goes to only the fourth operator, that is star, and left out with the id in the end. It goes a sentiment to the dollar symbol where the pause button is set, or the end of the code. This expression is expanded in top-down variation where the parsing is done in backtracking, and the recursive descent removes it off, going to the backtracking and cancels the backtracking so that it'll give you the parsing technique. So the expression is ended in the statement with dollar. Either way, it says the expression is accepted by the grammar or not. If I give you another expression like, let me go a plus b c, the expression is not accepted because id does not id operator and another id, but the next there should be another operator to set it away, but the id is containing it away. So that's how this parser program works.